as you can see, it's iced in. It's a whole ass ice cube in here. Just do that. I'm afraid of like cracking the windshield though. Desperate times, right? It's actually kind of funny because like low-key nobody can see me in here. So like an ice storm sounds really cool. Shit's crackling. But it is nothing like Frozen, okay? If you're thinking Frozen, the cold never bothered me anyway. No, the cold bothers me, okay? Shut up. Right, so it's 28 degrees Fahrenheit. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So it is below freezing right now. Tonight it is going down to like 2 degrees. Tomorrow morning I have places to go, which is why I'm doing this now. Like I actually have a funeral. Tomorrow it's going to be single digits again. And then Sunday, guess what? It's going to be single digits again. Like everything is going to be below the temperature that water freezes at. We're having a frozen rainstorm right now. So I am out here because basically if I don't do this now, anything that precipitates right now will just freeze everything. So I'm just getting the initial first layer off of my car. Looks like something shattered. It's just so wet. Like, listen to this. It's just heavy and wet. Ugh. Masks are actually really handy keeping your face warm. Let's turn on this bad boy. Oh, ugh. Ah! I like turning on the lamps in my house. It's just so much more of a homey vibe. Like, check this out. Like, we've got this hominess, right? Sorry if that's making you super dizzy. And then we turn on this, and it's like, ugh, ugh. So we're going back to just the lamps, and we got Daddy Vader, and oh, the piece de resistance. Hold on. Ta-da! The Christmas lights are up year round because pretty. I wanted to show you all my towel warmer. It's right here. Yes, it's on the radiator. If it works, it works. Am I right? So as it turns out, there's a whole world outside on a Saturday morning before 10 a.m. Oh my gosh, I just had the best day. Well, so we started out going to a funeral and then we had some family stuff, but that was in the morning. And then we went to this cute little coffee shop where I got a chai tea latte. It was called Haute Coffee, which phonetically looks like hot coffee. Cute. Then we did some food shopping at a local farm, which was also cute AF. Bougie, but cute. Aesthetic, we like that. Then I got home. I did my laundry, I did a workout. Now I think I'm just gonna throw on some fresh clothes and deodorant, I'm not even gonna bother with this. But my friend is playing a concert tonight and she has free tickets and I'm having one of the free tickets, and so I'm gonna go and support my friend. They're doing Stravinsky's Firebird and Night on Bald Mountain. And if you don't know Night on Bald Mountain, I did that in my chaotic Life of Celine vlog. It started off with that for like a Halloween concert that I did. And Firebird is just, it's full of clarinet. Just full of clarinet. She's like one of my best friends. We were roommates for years and she plays the harp. So, I haven't seen her play in I can't even tell you how long, but I'm so excited. Christmas presents are finally leaving the house. I could not be more thrilled. They've been here for 2 months. We're having Christmas. We're not doing that music. I'm just gonna put another sweater over this. We're gonna teach a lesson on our way down. Colin's coming with me, and then we're going to my parents' house for Christmas. There's like an emergency happening. Breakfast this morning is just French toast that Colin made, and I'm currently boiling water for some tea, which is ready.
That's what we come down here in the storm.
Yeah. This is our safety house. Ironic it is. Mild or?
Yeah, mild. Well, I mean, like you guys. Yeah, beautiful.
It is. And there's nobody ever on it.
Yeah, I don't know if you've ever been there. I had never been there.
I had never been there.
Yeah,
It was as popular as it is now, or before there were the blue bins.
yeah.
It looks a little hot.
See, they don't have that in. So,
Everybody. Yeah, those are flames. Well, we're looking for, whatchamacallit, lobster rolls. They've now gone up to $40.
$40?
course.
Your pants are riding low lately. Riding low. Low riders. It's a weird color.
No, you don't-
Hold on.
No.
Thank you, and yeah, I'm like, you're right. This is neither heather nor gray.
It's
You can't pretend that it's either of those.
no.
I can kind of see
It's
It says what it is, but it's hot and sweet.
Ooh.
Birthday. I would buy my mother.
All right, can you see me okay?
I can.
Okay, this is first?
That's first.
Okay,
There should be a little box.
is it this? I see whatever the hell this is.
Yep, that's last.
This is last?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Sam?
Colin, oh, do you want to open
Yeah.
your present with
What I'm here to hey.
Sam? Well, let's get down. I'm about to open mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get a seat.
Are you gonna sit on the table?
Yeah.
Can it support?
Are you calling me fat?
No.
Yeah, is this
I'm calling the table unstable. Have you been playing Wordle? Woo! What the fuck? Or should I say, what the duck?
Okay.
Sam! What is this? There's like 100!
You're welcome.
I just need to show you what my brother just gave me for Christmas. What the duck? And then I opened up clarinet necklace. Then I opened this one up even more. Open up this one. It's a clarinet mustache. And then the final. I don't get it. Do you follow Jess Kaplan? Because she has this amazing fluffy robe that she got, and she provided the link, and I asked for it for Christmas, and I now have it. I mean, come on, it's so soft. This is just like the most perfect ensemble I could have ever asked for. I mean, and you know what the robe has? There's one more thing that we can add to this ensemble to make it the most comfy, the most cozy thing, and that is my brother's gift to me. Bro, can you even... I don't even care if I look ridiculous. My feet are literally in clouds. So I know I haven't done like a 30-day challenge in a long time, which is kind of what this channel was based on at first. But I've given myself the challenge of journaling and meditating for the next 30 days. I don't do it on weekends. It is part of like my wind down routine during the week so that I can drift off into a pleasant sleep. So we're gonna journal, we're gonna meditate, and we're gonna be calm. I like journaling because it takes everything that's going on up here and gets it in here on paper, which is like a tangible transfer of ideas. It helps with anxiety. And for meditations, I just use the meditations that are available on Fitbit because I have a Fitbit. And apps like Headspace or Calm, they all have subscriptions, like subscription fees. Like why does everything have to have a subscription now? Like,
welcome to the Transition to Sleep meditation. This meditation is great to use when you're feeling a little anxious, and it'll allow you to cultivate a state of mind to transition to a restful night's sleep.
these are just a few more goodies that my mom got me for Christmas. These earrings are spectacular, and I love the sweater. The ends are a little bit frayed, and the sleeves are also a little bit frayed as well. Just gives that nice lived-in vintage look. Moms are just so good at picking out Christmas presents.
All right, check this out. It doesn't look like much. Doesn't look like what it is, actually. I got this lovely tea set from my aunt. She's the one that I gave the Knitting Cats mug to, if you saw that video. Beautiful. And there are little matching teacups that go along with it. Like, how beautiful are these? These used to belong to a family friend, I believe, who sadly passed away, like, a long time ago. So this is like a second-hand, like, truly vintage tea set. And I'm really excited to be the lucky recipient of it. Just look how darling. I love it so much.